Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel CyberXPopsy. In this video, we're gonna cover the advent of Cyber 2025 Day 9, which is the passwords a cracking Christmas. Let's step onto the room and we'll see what's inside. We have officially joined into the room, passwords a cracking Christmas. So we'll jump out into the task one, which is the introduction. So here's the quick review based on my understanding, the story. So this is an introduction cybersecurity training exercise called Passwords a Cracking Christmas. So the scenario involves Sir Carrot Bond discovering encrypted PDF and zip files containing Santa's master gift registry on the TBFC company servers. So the exercise teaches the password cracking fundamentals, specifically how weak passwords can be broken by systematically trying likely password combinations until finding the correct one. So this challenge is 30 minutes and it's a easy level, and you can see these are the learning objectives: why weak passwords can make encrypted files vulnerable, how attackers use dictionary and brute force attacks to recover passwords. So same in every room, we're going to connect to the machine. So here is the virtual environment setup, and if you are using a VPN, you can use these credentials to start the attack box machine. So we're gonna start the target machine. So we have officially joined the room. Passwords a cracking Christmas. So let's discuss about learn how to crack passwords based encrypted files. So this lab is easy, which consumes about 30 minutes. So we'll have go to the tasks. So first task is about introduction. So we are not looking into this, so we'll go, if you go to this, and we'll start the machine and we'll solve this question: what's the flag inside the encrypted PDF? So there are as you can see, there are two files. One is flag.pdf. If you click on it, so we need a password to open it, and similarly for flag, to unzip the file, sorry, extract, so it's asking the password. So again, I need a password for this. So first we'll go to the terminal to uncrack these passwords. So first we'll go to the desktop, cd desktop, and we are on desktop. We'll see what the files are there. As you can see, there are flag.pdf and flag.zip. So we'll want to view the, if you want to view the information, you can use file flag.pdf, and it will reveal the information. It is a PDF document version 1.7 of page 1. And similarly for zip file flag.zip, here we go, and it has given zip r2 data at least to version 2.0 to extract, and the compression method they have used is AES encrypted, which is advanced encrypted standard. Yeah, then first we will go through the questions what they ask. What's the flag inside the encrypted PDF? So in order to solve this question, we have two methods. Either we can use PDF crack or we can use zip2zone. So Jom the Ripper, or basically, so we'll do the both ways. So I just want to show. So the first method, we're gonna use PDF crack method. So we're gonna use PDF crack, and sorry, PDF crack. First let me maximize. So we're gonna maximize PDF crack, followed by, we need to specify the word list, that is user share, followed by word list, followed by rocku.txt, and this will, and followed by, we need to mention the file, which is flag.pdf, and this should show. Okay, so file user is not available, it means we did some mistake over here. So let's go over here. So PDF crack, what we did wrong? Okay, here we did the mistake. Let's see, it should solve now. Let's see. Oh yes, we forgot to add the hash slash, and this is the first way, and you can see naughty list is the one way, and now we're gonna use the John Ripper. So in order to do that, first we need to uh, the John Ripper can't crack the files directly, so they need a hash. So for that we need to convert the PDF file into the hash format, and then we'll unlock the password. So in order to that, we're gonna convert to PDF to zone, followed by the file name, which is file.flag, sorry, flag.pdf, flag.pdf, and this convert into if you want to give some hash. So if you want to give like uh, what just example one dot hash, and you can see. Let's see whether it's converted or not. Ls, as you can see, cat dot hash, and yeah, the hash has come. We'll use this hash for the zone one dot hash, and we need to use the word list over here. The same thing, word list equal to user, sorry, same the one we use on top, share the list rockq dot text, and hold on, we should not give any space. Make sure it won't, and that's it. Let's see. Here we go. So we have found two ways to open the password. One is the PDF crack, and the second version is John Ripper. So this is the password to open the flag. So we'll copy this and hold on. Just wait. Copy. Oops. Copy, and we'll minimize, and where's this flag, and we're gonna paste, unlock the document. As you can see, we have unlocked the document, and this is the flag THM, and we'll paste it over here, and that's the one we have already submitted. And we'll go to the second question, which is what's the flag inside the encrypted zip file. We use the same format, so minimize. Again, we need a hash for this, so let's wait. Okay, no, here, yeah, this is the one. So we'll minimize this for a time being, and now we'll use the new one for the zip file. So first we'll go to the desktop, cd desktop, sorry, cd desktop, and then ls. We got this. Now we're gonna use zip to zone, zip to PDF to zone before we use zip to zone, and followed by flag.zip, and convert to, now we use 2 dot hash. Got it. And again we'll go to ls. We got, you can see, cat 2 dot hash, and it created hash. We'll use this hash to crack the password for the zip file. So we're gonna use John 2 dot hash followed by word list equal to slash user, sorry, user slash followed by share followed by word list slash rockq dot txt. Let's see. And the answer for this is winter forever. We cracked it, so we'll copy this, copy, and we're gonna extract here on the desktop and paste. Okay, and we are able to open that one. Now we'll see cat flag dot text file, and the answer is, you can see this is the one, the flag. Copy, and sorry, here we go, paste, check, and that's it. And I want to show this another video for the side quest too. For this room, for this video I'm gonna stick for this room only, so we'll check it. And if you enjoyed this task, feel free to check out the password attacks room. Yes, you can go through this and join and learn again, so check. And that's it for this video. We have officially did the day you did it. The password cracking Christmas is complete. So that's all for this video. Until then, signing off, take care, signing off, CyberXPopsy. Happy hacking.